Welcome to Digital India School. Bandlaguda, Highway Plaza, Milan Colony, Chandrayan Gutta Inner Ring Road, near Mughal College of Engineering. Telephone 9989669261 880 185 1572. Free admissions are open from nursery to class 7. Free admissions, totally free admissions, no donation fees, no development fees, no term fees, no other hidden fees. Lowest possible fee structure with highest standard of education, with best quality of infrastructure and modern teaching aids, and digital classroom facility for all students. Admissions are open from nursery to class 7. Our school's silent features: free admission for first 100 students, spacious, well ventilated, well furnished classrooms, well qualified, experienced, and friendly teachers and staff, spacious playground within the school campus, best quality of education with complete English speaking atmosphere, reading, writing, and speaking abilities will be assured at the end of the academic year. Diniyat and Islamic orientation of students, regular parent-teacher meetings and interaction facility, transport facility for interested parents, English language program for all students, special focus on Tajweedul Quran and Islamic studies, individual attention and follow-up program for slow learner students, continuous comprehensive evaluation system, that is CCE, with regular weekly tests, physical training and regular sports, indoor outdoor games facility. Welcome to Digital India School. Hurry up. Free admissions are open in playgroup nursery to class 7. We are providing all modern teaching aids, unique innovative teaching learning methods, spoken English with accent neutralization in American and British English, individual counseling and special attention, PlayStation with latest teaching aids to promote fun and learn way methods, regular activity-based learning, project works for individual growth and development in all these students, activity-based learning and daily exposure to public speaking at morning assembly session, educational and recreational field trips will be arranged for overall development of children. Dear parents, remember, your child's overall development includes their educational development, physical development, social and cultural development, and more effectively mental and moral development. Building their own unique personality is our purpose. Building leaders of tomorrow is our vision. You should be able, your children should be able to speak, read, and write. That is our aim. You should be able to measure their growth and development in terms of achievement, not just false promises. We have organized regular health checkups for the overall health of your children's. Hurry up, free admissions are open.